Hi everybody, I'm Asaf Nadler and I'm here to talk to you about data-driven strategies for overcoming Web3 growth challenges. Now that might sound like a very big title, but to break it down, that's about how Web3 companies, sometimes referred to as crypto companies or blockchain companies, are doing marketing to grow their user base and acquire more users. Now, about myself and why I'm here today, I'm the co-founder and COO of Addressable.io, which is a rapidly growing startup based in Tel Aviv that's building a Web3 growth suite, which is a system for Web3 companies to grow their user base and measure how well they're doing that. I'm also the co-author of 10 academic papers on blockchain and data analytics with more than 300 citations. And before that, I was the director of data science for Akamai Technologies, and my contacts are at the bottom if anybody wants to reach out to me after that. Over the past 2 years, I was working with more than 300 Web3 growth marketers from all across the blockchain industry, ranging from finances through gaming and blockchain infrastructure. And what this session is about taking all of the insights that I gathered to kind of share them here with you so you can learn more about how Web3 companies are doing growth. When I chat to these 300 marketers, what I typically start by asking them is, who's your target audience? If you're thinking about the ideal users that you're looking to get for your company, whether you're a gaming company or a financial company, who are these users? How do you imagine them? And what these companies typically envision in their mind is a description that's on the blockchain. For instance, an infrastructure company may say, I want blockchain developers that are deploying smart contract code into the blockchain. Or, for instance, a financial exchange or a wallet can say, I want to find traders that are doing active financial trading on the blockchain. Or NFT collections can say, I want people who collect NFTs and maybe perhaps expensive ones. And this is the same for gamers and collectors. So in a sense, all of them imagine their target audiences based on how they behave on the blockchain. And yet, they all struggle to understand and reach these users that are found on chain. And the reason for that is because the typical ways in which you acquire users are through social media and advertisement networks, on which you typically need to describe your audience based on their demographics or based on their age and general interests, which if you kind of see the gap between how you envision the users on-chain and what they're doing off-chain, that creates a big struggle due to both too broad targeting, kind of missing the target audience, and mainly because all of the advertisement networks, if you're ranging from Twitter to Instagram to Facebook and to Google, aren't looking at the on-chain data, which is the core signal for who are the users that I'm looking to target. This is what this session is for. It's sharing insights based on the 300 marketers I've been speaking to and getting them over to you, and that's going to be based in 3 sections. The first one of them is going to be an overview of Web3 growth challenges. What I'm going to tell you is how each of the growth marketers are currently seeing the state of Web3 growth and how to acquire users when you're a blockchain company. The second section is about data-driven opportunities. So when thinking about the blockchain, the fact that it's public, there's tons of data that you can use to acquire users effectively, and we're going to talk about how to do that. And the last section is going to be about growth strategies for user acquisition. So as soon as we have all of the data, how we can put that together into playbooks that actually work. And also discuss about some case studies and customers that we've been working with to see what works well and what perhaps works even better. And we'll conclude with that.